Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's video of Zynga Poker, I'm gonna show you how to delete your Zynga Poker account. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. So first thing first, open up your Zynga Poker game, and once you're on the main menu of Zynga Poker, head over to its settings. Its settings should be located in the bottom right corner of the screen. So go ahead and tap on settings, and once you're inside settings, tap on account info. And here you can see an option to delete the Zynga Poker account. So in order to delete your Zynga Poker account, go ahead and tap on delete my account. Now the game will redirect you to your web page where you'll have to submit your deletion request. So once the page opens up, scroll down a little bit and right click on I want to delete this game account and tap on continue. Now right click on the Zynga Poker and choose a reason that you want to delete your app. Here I'm going to choose no longer play the game and tap on delete my game account. As you can see, I have put in my deletion request for my account. Now the Zynga Poker team will delete my account within 30 days. And that's it for today's video guys. I hope you learned how to delete your Zynga Poker account through this video. But if you still have any question, feel free to leave your queries down in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.